Andun nabili na kayo ng hamburger, doon na lang.
Hamburger. What are you gonna get from here?
Yun na lang hamburger.
What?
Nothing.
Alam, buli na kayo Oo, mabili na lang kayo doon, may hamburger doon eh. Julie, we have a sandwich.
You want your sandwich?
We got sandwich. We got so much food. You guys doing that? How much can you put it in your belly? And then you guys come. What?
What I told him was, we didn't do Friday Flame. We didn't know that we could buy a hamburger here. That's what I told him yesterday, and we did.
And that's fine. It's either they want cash or hamburger. There's always
Okay.
there's sandwich there, and we need to find our chair. It's like they never seen a food at all.
Then I'll come back.
I know, but they never seen a food at all in their life, so I don't. There's always. Okay, let's go. You guys have sandwich. You guys settle down. Not everything. We go here. We don't come here to pick out. We have here to watch. Huh? You already ate the whole thing. See, look at her. She already ate the whole thing, and she's still hungry.
What do you want, a hot dog? Why don't you eat your sandwich first? I'm just gonna get these people.
Do you guys wanna eat afterwards? After they leave, after this event, we're gonna eat dinner again after this.
Okay. It's till 5 o'clock. We won't get home till 6 or 7.
I know, that's why we're gonna eat dinner. But we have the sandwich.
When we get home, I'll give you a sandwich and we can get something else.
I know, we can stop by anytime after. It's not like. But then if you're like walking every aisle and you're not stopping, so that's a make.
I think this.
Oh, there you go. Asa si Jade?
Ati sila ni Grandma.
Jade, you go share with Grandma. You don't like the sandwich? Ha? Meat lang daw siya. Okay, then hold this one. Hold the water.
Oh, we got grandma. So we got seats somewhere.
No, we got on the VIP one. Yeah, we have, yeah. Huh? We are the VIP so we can sit and we're at the front. That's what I like. Because when you go to the public and many people and you don't see it. Huh? Yeah. Here go. Meat. Hindi daw siya gutom, so sabi. Okay, so see you guys.
Jade, what did you want?
She's not hungry. She only want the meat.
I got the chocolate.
Put it in my thing in then my bag.
Yes, you can. You're not old.
Ando na tayo.